From the thunderous roar of a Tyrannosaurus rex to the cataclysmic impact of an asteroid, our planet has witnessed extraordinary events over its vast history. Yet, amidst these dramatic upheavals, certain remarkable creatures have endured. Meet the living fossils, species that give us a window into the distant past. These remarkable creatures, some of which have lineage dating back hundreds of millions of years, offer a glimpse into ecosystems long gone. Join us now as we journey across the globe to encounter 8 incredible animals that survived the age of dinosaurs. Our first encounter takes us to the riverbanks and swamps, where we find a creature that embodies both power and ancient lineage, the crocodilian. Their ancestry can be traced back a staggering 235 million years to a time when dinosaurs were just beginning their reign. Crocodilians were a part of this ancient landscape, sharing the world with these long-vanished giants. But while the dinosaurs succumbed to the cataclysm of the Chicxulub asteroid impact some 66 million years ago, the crocodilians endured. Today, crocodilians serve as a stark reminder of life's resilience, and their continued presence speaks volumes about their adaptability and evolutionary success. Our journey into the deep past now takes us to the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, where we encounter a creature that has been plying the seas for an astonishing 445 million years, the horseshoe crab. These ancient mariners, with their distinctive domed shells and spiky tails, are true survivors. Their blue, copper-rich blood contains a substance called limulus amoebocyte lysate, or LAL, which is highly sensitive to bacterial toxins and invaluable in biomedical research. While their appearance might seem somewhat alien, horseshoe crabs are not only ancient survivors but also play a vital role in safeguarding human health. Our exploration of living fossils now takes us to the coniferous forests of western North America, where we encounter a creature whose life cycle is intricately linked to one of nature's most powerful forces, fire. The cedar wood wasp, a large iridescent insect with a fascinating history, relies on wildfires for its survival. Unlike most wasps, cedar wood wasps lay their eggs in the heartwood of fire-damaged trees. This unique adaptation can be traced back to the Jurassic period, some 165 million years ago, when wildfires were a common occurrence. The female cedar wood wasp possesses a remarkable ovipositor, a long tube-like organ used to deposit her eggs deep within the wood. Chapter 4: Tuataras, the Third Eye Relicts. Our search for ancient lineages now takes us to the windswept islands of New Zealand, home to a creature that seems to have stepped out of the pages of a prehistoric encyclopedia, the Tuatara. Often mistaken for lizards, Tuataras are in a class of their own, representing the last survivors of a reptilian order that thrived during the Jurassic period some 200 million years ago. But perhaps their most intriguing feature is their third eye, a light-sensitive organ located on the top of their heads, playing a role in thermoregulation. Tuataras are slow-growing, long-lived creatures, with some individuals reaching over 100 years of age. Chapter 5: Platypus, the Paradoxical Monitoring. Our journey through time and evolutionary history now takes us to the eastern regions of Australia, where we encounter a creature that seems to defy categorization, the platypus. Platypuses are monotremes, an ancient group of mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. Their unique blend of reptilian and mammalian traits provides a fascinating glimpse into the early evolution of mammals. Their duck-like bill is a highly sensitive electroreceptor covered in thousands of tiny pores that detect the electrical signals produced by their prey. Platypuses are also venomous, with males possessing a spur on their hind legs that delivers a potent cocktail of toxins. Chapter 6: Lungfish, breathing air, defying time. Our exploration of ancient survivors now takes us to the heart of Africa, South America, and Australia, where we encounter a creature that embodies resilience and adaptation in the face of environmental challenges, the lungfish. These remarkable fish, with their ability to breathe air and survive out of water for extended periods, have been around for over 410 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. Lungfish possess a modified swim bladder that functions as a primitive lung, allowing them to gulp air at the surface. During periods of drought, lungfish can burrow into the mud, secreting a mucus cocoon around themselves and entering a state of estivation. Their ability to breathe air and their fleshy fins, which resemble primitive limbs, provide clues about how ancient fish may have made the transition from water to land. Chapter 7. Horsetails, the dinosaur snack still thriving. Our journey through time now takes us back to the age of dinosaurs, where we encounter a plant that once served as a dietary staple for some of the largest creatures to ever walk the earth, the horsetail. These ancient plants, with their jointed stems and brush-like appearance, have been around for over 185 million years, witnessing the rise and fall of countless species. While their modern-day counterparts are significantly smaller, horsetails still retain many of the characteristics that allowed their ancestors to thrive in prehistoric ecosystems. Fossil evidence suggests that horsetails were a common food source for hadrosaurs, duck-billed dinosaurs that roamed North America and Asia during the late Cretaceous period. Chapter 8. Coelacanths, the fish that defied time. Our final destination on this journey through time takes us to the depths of the Indian Ocean, where we encounter a creature that was once thought to be extinct for over 66 million years, the coelacanth. Coelacanths were known only from fossils until 1938, when a living specimen was caught off the coast of South Africa. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, as it challenged long-held assumptions about the history of life on Earth. Coelacanths are nocturnal predators, their large, fleshy fins allowing them to walk along the ocean floor using their electroreceptors to detect prey in the darkness. The rediscovery of the coelacanth provided scientists with an unprecedented opportunity to study a living representative of an ancient lineage. Our true legacy of resilience. As we conclude our exploration of these 8 incredible animals that survived the age of dinosaurs, we're struck by the sheer power and resilience of life on Earth. These living fossils serve as tangible connections to a distant past, reminding us that extinction is not always inevitable. Let their stories inspire us to protect the planet's biodiversity, ensuring that these ancient lineages and the countless other species that share our world have a fighting chance to continue their evolutionary journeys for millions of years to come.